Hello scholars, today I am going to start chapter number 3, that is subtraction, second part. Already we have discussed first part in video number 6. Now today this is video number 7. In this we will learn subtracting bigger numbers. See, subtracting bigger numbers is like subtracting 3-digit numbers. See the example here. In this one, 3,384 minus 1,243. So what we can do here? Here we will do step by step. First step, what we will do? We will subtract the ones, then tens, then hundreds, and then thousand. Clear? See, exercise 3E. Subtract 8,461 minus 2,431. Clear? 1 minus 1 is 0. 6 minus 3 is 3. 4 minus 4 is 0. 8 minus 2 is 6. When the number minus with the same number, we will get answer 0. And when any number minus with 0, we will get the answer number itself. This already we have learned in video number 6. See, next question. 9 minus 8 is 1. 9 minus 3 is 6. 3 minus 2 is 1. 4 minus 1 is 3. Next, 7 minus 5 is 2. 5 minus 5 is 0. 8 minus 5 is 3. 6 minus 1 is 5. Next, 4 minus 0 is 4. 7 minus 5 is 2. 5 minus 4 is 1. And 6 minus 6 is 0. Rest question, do it yourself in your notebook. And question number 2 also, subtract the following in your notebook. Next topic is, that is using bar models for problem solving. In this one, two types of problem we have to solve. One is addition and second is subtraction. In this one, sometime you may find it difficult to decide how to solve a problem. In such cases, drawing a bar model can help. See, first one, the cook made some sandwiches for the picnic. 62 sandwiches were eaten and 26 were left. How many sandwiches had the cook made? Don't know. It means we have to find the total how many he or she made. Clear? So, in this one, take care. The problem has the word left out. It cannot be solved with subtraction. See, total sandwiches made, don't know. Eaten 62, left 26. It means this much eaten and this much left. We have to find total. It means plus we will do 62 plus 26 is 88. Second, the gardener planted 47 saplings on Monday. He planted 15 more than that on Tuesday. how many saplings did he plant on Tuesday? Got it? See, the problem has the word more than. More than means extra. It means plus. But it is not a comparison sum. See, Monday, how many? 47. And in Tuesday, whatever the Monday plus 15 extra. So plus 15 extra on Tuesday. So 47 is on Monday. We have to find only Tuesday. So Tuesday means Monday plus extra 15. We get 62 saplings on Tuesday. Next, that is subtraction models. There are 45 flowers in all in the bouquet. 27 of these are roses. The rest are asters. How many asters are there in the bouquet? Clear? So total are 45 and these many are roses. It means the left are asters. So what we can do? This question is subtraction 1. So 45 minus 27 is 18. Next, comparison model. Shushmita has two albums of stickers. Album A has 53 stickers. Album B has 41 stickers. How many more stickers are there in album A? More means the extra in album A that we have to find. Got it? For example, suppose you and your brother having chocolates. So your brother having 12 chocolates and you are having 8 chocolates. So the question is how many more chocolates your brother having. So how you will find? 12 minus 8 is 4. Same question here. 53 minus 41 is 12 more stickers in album A. Got it? Next, exercise 3F. In this one, fill in the detail on the bar models to help you solve the question. Okay? First question. Asima and her sister have pooled money to buy a gift for their mother. If Asima gave rupees 46 and her sister gave rupees 54, how much did the gift cost? It means this is the money of Asima and this is her sister. So we have to find the cost of the gift. So total we have to do 46 plus 54 is 100 rupees. So the cost of the gift is rupees 100. Next question. Sadav's class teacher cut 52 strips of paper for the class bulletin board. She needs 85 strips in all. In all means total she need 85 strips. How many more strips should she cut? So total she want 85 and already she has cutted 52 strips. It means how much more or how much is left for cutting. So how we will find? We will do minus 85 minus 52. We get 33. Next, 36 children were at the park. 12 children left. How many are still in the park? Total are how many? 36. 12 children left. Now the remaining one. Remaining means how many are still in the park. So 36 minus 12 is 24. Question number 4. A dry fruit box had 32 cashew nuts and 49 almonds and 28 pistas. How many nuts in all? In all means total. So 32 cashew nuts, almond 49 and pista 28. So total we get 109. Rest questions I have done here. You can see once and then do it yourself. Okay. Next, in this one, this is page number 64, that is building skills. In this one, if the information is not enough, so the answer is not enough information. How we will solve? See, first question. Some of the subtraction problems given below may have all the information you need to solve it, others may not. Write not enough information for the ones that do not have all information you need and solve the rest. A carton of 200 biscuit packets has 125 packets of chocolate biscuits and the rest are jam biscuit. How many packets of jam biscuits does it have? So total in a cartoon 200 biscuit packets are there. So out of 200, 125 packets of chocolate biscuit. So it means rest are jam biscuit. So rest means the left part. So total biscuit packets are 200 and number of packets of chocolate biscuits, that is 125. So the rest will come jam biscuits, that is 75 packets of jam biscuits. Clear? Next, Preetham's mother baked 656 butter biscuit and some cashew biscuits for the school feast. How many more butter biscuits than cashew biscuits did she bake? It means in this one, this information is not enough. Clear? So the answer we will write not enough information. Why? Because only one thing we are having, that is the butter biscuit quantity, and the cashew biscuit quantity is not mentioned there. So that's why the information is not enough. Next, in one leap year, there were 197 school days. How many days there were holidays? What is leap year? Leap year will come after 4 years. It means we can say the 4 tables will come in that leap year, like 2000, 2004, 2008, 2012, 2016, 2020. In this year 2020 means this is leap year. Leap year means the month of Feb we get 29 days, and the later 3 years we will get the Feb 28 days. So leap year means one extra day we will get. This year we get leap year. It means 366 days. Total days in one leap year is 366 days. And the number of school will remain open, that is in 197. So how many days were holidays? We have to find the holidays. So number of holidays in leap year. So leap year minus the school remain closed, that these days, then The answer will come 169. So 169 holidays in leap year. Next, Nandita reads 138 pages of her storybook. How many pages does she yet have to read to complete the books? So we don't know number of pages in that particular book. It means the information is not completed. So the answer is not enough information. Next, last question of this chapter. Anshul's family bought 198 packets of milk in the months of January and February. How many packets did his family buy in February alone? Clear? So here also not mention in which month how many packets. So this also information is not completed. So the answer is not enough information. After this, let's see recap. In this one, we have learned subtracting bigger numbers, using bar models for problem solving like addition model, subtraction model, comparison model. So these are the three bar models for problem solving. Next is building skills, that is not enough information. Now for worksheet, you can refer a link given in the description box. Goodbye.